You're a psycho.
For your mom.
And now, the most expensive private plane ticket on the planet.
Hi, welcome aboard. I suggest you taking your shoes off. The carpet's actually $2 million.
She's like, I suggest it really hard.
And by square feet, this is bigger than our houses.
It's almost impossible to imagine how big this jet actually is.
Right here is a bedroom.
Wow.
A bedroom. Another bedroom. Another bedroom. Keep going. This is for the crew.